Today I am going to discuss about circle. First of all, what is circle? Circle is a closed curved figure. Circle is closed figure, not open figure. Now what is closed figure? A figure which start and end at the same point. That is called closed figure. A figure which start and end at the same point is called closed figure. So circle is a closed curved figure. This is the circle. This is full circle. So from all sides it is already closed. Now I am going to fold it into two parts, two equal parts. So this is half circle and half of the circle is called semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. And again I am going to fold it half of half. This is quarter of the circle, quarter of circle. And quarter of circle is known as geometrical word quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle is called quadrant. In other way, quarter of the circle is called quadrant. Now I am going to paste it. And we can see easily parts of the circle. Parts of the circle. Here parts of the circle. Now see, every circle has a center. This center is equidistance. This center is equidistance. Equidistance means from its boundary, center is equal distance from anywhere. If you measure center to any point on the circle, this will be equal. This will be equal. That's why this is known as equidistance. Now one line is going on just middle of the circle. Just middle of the circle. This line is divide the circle into two equal halves. That's why this is known as diameter. Diameter. Now what? Anywhere, if dia, die means half. Die means half. So this line is dividing the circle into two equal halves. So this is called diameter. Now from center to any point, its boundary. Distance between center to any point on the boundary is called radius. This is called radius. It is denoted by a small r, and diameter is also denoted by a small d. So again I am going to revise. Distance between center, suppose center is C, this is D. So distance between center to any point on the circle, that is called radius. So in a circle, unlimited radius, unlimited diameter. So this CD equal to radius, and suppose this line BF, this BF is dividing the circle into two equal halves, so this is called diameter. So BF equal to diameter. Diameter. Now, this, if we join any 2 point on the circle, if we join any 2 point, take any 2 point and join them, what happened? Suppose I have taken here 1 point here and join them. This line segment also divide the circle in 2 parts, not equal parts, but 2 parts. One is smaller parts, other is bigger parts. So this, when a line segment divide the circle into 2 parts and that line not cross through the center, that is called chord. So this is chord. Diameter is also known as a chord. Diameter is also divide the circle in 2 parts and chord is also divide the circle in 2 parts. But what is difference? Chord divide the circle in 2 parts but bigger and smaller parts, not equal parts. But diameter divide the circle in 2 parts, equal parts. That's why this is called diameter. Now these are the parts of circle. Now see, this smaller parts and this is known as segment. Segment. Region of this part, chord to here, these are called segment. This side is also segment. So these are the parts of the circle. Major parts of circle is diameter, radius, chord, and another one important thing, the distance around the boundary. Suppose distance around the boundary, this is known as circumference. Means total distance of the boundary is known as circumference. This is another word. Perimeter of circle is known as circumference. So these are the parts of the circle. Now one more important thing, when we have more than 2 radius, if we have 2 radius, 3 radius, the plural of radius is called radii. If we have 2 radius, 3 radius, here is CF is radius, here is CB is radius, here CD is radius. So plural of radius is called radii. Plural of radius is called radii. These are the parts of circle. Parts of circle. Okay, thank you.